Kings of Crunch Series 7 1984 Chevrolet C20 Stomper Bully. Please hit the pause button to check out the other trucks in this series. Here comes the Stomper Bully up top of the cars. Check out this paint scheme and this design. This truck was owned by TNT Motorsports, and it ran from 1985 to 1988. It was driven by Mike Witt and Gene Patterson, trying to just get some info off of the internet about this truck. Really enjoy how in the front of those wheels on the big nut is it red right in there. Nice design of the Stomper Bully. Has 4x4, and then it has 1,250 HP. It says Wild Bill Stomper Bully, 488 cubic inch for the engine. Then over here it has the TNT little logo. It says Stomper on the front of the windshield. Does have lights. Here's the other side of Stomper Bully. On the back of the tailgate, it says Chevrolet, and it has a little caterpillar in the middle of the tailgate up above right here. Not sure why that's there on the truck, but maybe somebody out there watching this video will know why. So this ends the unboxing and little review of the Stomper Bully. So thank you for tuning in.